YouTube. It's Sunday morning now, and I've just found, as I've been clearing out a drawer, my old PiServe Raspberry Pi modem, if you like, which I did use on the Commodore 64. So I thought, I'll try it on the Amiga and see what happens. And yeah, it works fine. So here is a quick demonstration of the PiServe running with term on the Amiga. There's nothing changed or set in the settings apart from I've set it to 16 colour VGA in the terminal emulation. It's on standard ANSI, and the modem speed is set to 9600, purely because that's what I set the modem to when I originally set it up for the C64, which, to be perfectly honest, is fast enough for terminal emulation. Anyway, without further ado, here we are. Well, that's a short video, it won't let me log in. But anyway, you can see it's connecting to the BBS fine. Like I say, it's term on the Amiga, version 4.0, 1997 I think it is, and it works really quite well. But I'll try a few more BBSs and perhaps come back to this one. And when I have a few that work nicely, I'll video them for you. Thank you very much.